A control animal carries its weight evenly on its forepaws, with paw placement occurring just outside the midline of the body. In contrast, the 6-OHDA lesion animal carries the majority of its weight on the paw ipsilateral to the lesion, in effect walking with a limp. The control animal's head is carried high and engages in frequent erratic movement, while the 6-OHDA animal carries its head low and steady. The control animal's weight-bearing paw releases from the rotorod quickly and is carried high so the digits are well clear of the drum surface. Its digits spread wide and contact the rotorod in an arpeggio movement from digit 5 through 1. The 6-OHDA animal rides the paw contralateral to the lesion longer before release and advances it more slowly. Note it carries the paw low, with the digits often dragging on the drum surface, which compromises the placement. The control has a longer stride than the 6-OHDA animal, with forepaw placement occurring further forward on the drum and hindpaw release occurring further back. Note that the lesion animal's posture is rigid with the head carried low and steady. The control's hindpaw typically overlaps the forepaw during a complete stride. From the side view, the control's paw is raised clear from the rotorod, and the digits contact the drum surface in an arpeggio movement from digit 5 through 1. The 6-OHDA animal's paw often drags along the drum surface, and the digits often do not open for placement, causing them to fold under the paw.